Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know.
They're gonna know.
How would they know? How would they know? How would they know?
What's going on, you guys? It is your girl Jade. Welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I keep talking with my hands. It's a habit. I don't know why I do that. I'm sorry. So we're gonna dive right on into this. If you are new to my channel, welcome. We stay litty because we always pretty over here on Jade's channel. You're gonna get to know that. That's gonna be our motto. I'm just telling you now. So if you are interested in learning how I did this really cute wash and go, y'all see how long my hair done got? This really cute elongated wet and wavy with my natural curls, then just stay tuned. Now, y'all saw from the intro that I was just joking. You saw in the title, if you thought this was a wash and go, girl, what's the real tea? Okay, so this is not gonna be like my normal, why do I keep talking with my hands? This is not gonna be like one of my normal wig reviews. This is a headband wig. I'm going to do it backwards over here at Shades of Jade. JadeNoModel, because I had to change my name because I don't even want to be shady and say why I had to change my name, but it was some shadiness going on with my original title, so I had to switch it up on that point. Let me move right on. So what was I saying? Girl, I don't know what I was saying. Anyway, I'm going to do this review completely backwards, and I'll tell you why once we get into the review. So this wig comes from, I bought it from Amazon. My sister called me on FaceTime with this wig on, and she ain't even the type to wear wigs, but she put this on, and I was like, girl, where you get that from? That's cute. And the next hour, I was right on there on Amazon. Order, got it in 2 days. Okay, so this headband wig, it comes from Persephone. That's the name of the company. It came in this bag here. Did they send lashes? I don't think they sent lashes. I want to say they sent lashes, but don't quote me on that because it's not in this bag. And I usually keep all my stuff together. So it came in this bag here. It came with your instructions. If you need to return it, which I might do for reasons you'll see later. They sent 2 wig caps. I started using one and then changed my mind. I said, nope, I'm not doing that. And then they sent 3 y'all didn't see that. 3 headbands in this one. This one was my favorite one. I don't know. I don't particularly like pink, so we're gonna. Oops. And this one, and then this one right here. Now, before I get started, I'm gonna tell you why. Okay, so this is what happened, right? For my birthday, my friend invited me over to his house. His mom was there, and his friends were there, and his mom has like a pool. So we were like in the pool. He tried to be real nice. I was like, I'm not getting in this pool. We're not doing that. I don't care if it is my birthday. I'm not getting in this pool. I'm not gonna mess up my good $15 wig because you want me to get in the pool. And he was like insisting. He's like, no, don't worry about it. And so he was real nice, you know. He took it and, you know, tried to bun it up for me and everything with the headband on, and it worked for a good few seconds. And then, you know, every 10 minutes I had to go, and I tried to keep it as dry as possible, but I'll tell you in the end how to fix all of that. Okay, so back to the wig. It is synthetic, obviously. This is how it comes. Now, normally I keep looking right here when the view camera is right here. Okay, get it together, Jade. Okay, so it's synthetic and the hair does feel soft, but don't expect to be able to do this. Don't expect to be able to do this because you're not going to be able to do it. Just get that out your head. You ain't going to be able to do it. I did get it a little wet because my boo thing was playing with me. He didn't dump me all the way in the pool because, you know, he saw in my face that I will jack you up if you mess up this good wig of mine. But a little bit, you know, got wet, you know, just like this much. Just an 8. It wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. So anyway, I can't be talking about my boo. So it does tend to get a little matted, not matted, but knotty in the back, like with any synthetic wig, when you wear it for a long period of time, even for a couple of hours. It comes with 2 combs right here and then a comb in the back. When I take it off, we'll be able to, I can't remember if it had elastic straps or not. So yeah, that was that part. Now, when you're putting on this unit, I don't know how y'all put on y'all units, but over here on my channel, I'm teaching you how I put my units on, not how to put your units on. So with this particular one, what you got to do is you got to bend all the way over, get this part on your face, and then slide that bad boy on back and hook that comb right back here. And then you can secure these. Because if you try to do it, let me demonstrate. I ain't want to do all of this, but we got time and you ain't got nowhere to go. You sitting here listening to me ramble. So this is what I was talking about. Oh, wait a minute. I did forget to show y'all. It has the elastic, you know, strap to secure it. So, you know how usually when I get my units and I be putting my units on, I don't like to call them wigs. I'm going to call them units. When I put my units on, usually 99.9% of the time, I take my unit and I put it on like this. And then I secure the back comb if it has one. Now, you can see the problem with doing that with this unit. You can't do that. Not with the headband wig. I can't do that. Not over here on this channel. So, you flip it upside down. Okay, while we got it off, let's go ahead and look at the gap instruction. Okay? Like I said, I got 2 combs in the back. I mean the front. This is the front. There are no elastic bands in the back, just the 1 comb. It is pretty stretchy. So I'm a 21 and a half. I'm either 21 and a half or 22 and a half circumference. So I want to say it would fit a little more securely if your head was a little bit bigger than mine, but don't quote me on that one, sis. So, like I said, the way I'm going to put this headband wig on is I'm going to go from the back, bend it over, so I don't knock my background down with this big old butt I got. Secured in the back. Flip that head back. Take your combs. Find out the combs in the front. I never put combs in. I never use the combs in the front of a unit at all because I like my edges and I like my hair. And doing that tends to rip your hair out if it's too tight and it causes too much tension. But with a headband wig, you have no choice. So you secure it where you want it, right, sis? And then what I do is I take my little flappies, the Velcro part. I bend back as far as I can. Secure it like so. Take your headband, you know, and all that good stuff. All right. And then go about your business. So this unit is very beginner friendly. However, there are more cons than there are pros. And I'm going to start from the beginning. I have worn this unit probably about 5 times now. The second time I wore it for my birthday, you know, the little pool party thing. And I'm not going to say this is my fault, because there's no reason why this should be my fault. When the back of the hair got a little wet, when I took the unit off at night, girl, the whole Velcro piece came off.
Oh my God!
Like the whole Velcro piece. Like this piece right here. And I don't know what cheap 50-cent store, the dollar store got Velcro better than this. Sis, I can't even explain it right. When I took this off, this whole piece came off. And the sides here were completely frayed. That should not have happened just from me getting a couple drops of water on it. I re-sewed it on there because it's a $13 wig. And I'm not going to throw it away. You're not going to throw away my coin. So I sewed it back on there. I've worn it 2 more times. And the Velcro has again started to fray. Emailing them and being like, hey, here's some pictures. Send me another unit. I'm sending this back. Either give me my money back or send me another unit, because this ain't gonna work. I don't care if it was $15. You're not gonna take my coin and you know, do whatever you want with it. It's not gonna happen. So that's probably what I'm gonna do. And the other part is, yeah, I'm speechless. Now this just started happening today. So after 2 wears, the Velcro is coming off. After 4, the comb in the front is starting to lift up. And there's no good reason why that should be happening. I don't care if this unit was $1. Run me my coin. I want better quality. I pay 50 cents, so what? So what? Run me my coin or run me my return. Give me another one. So the other part is, once it gets kind of matted, and you definitely don't want to take a paddle brush or a dimming brush to this at all, because I started to do that and I started to kind of brush out, it started to brush out the curls. So what I did, I keep half water and half of my conditioner in this bottle, and I just shake it up and I spray the unit, and the curls like literally came back to life. So that's the only pro. No, the one good thing, 2 good things came from this unit. 3, it was cheap. It looks natural. It's beginner friendly, and it's cheap. So 4. So yeah, I'm not putting it back on. Yeah, that's all I have for this unit. I'm not gonna put it back on because I'm about to email these people and be like, baby, what you want to do? What you want to do? You want to run me my coin, or you want to send me another unit when I send this back? Because that ain't the business. So that's all I have for this channel. Lord. That's all I have for this video. Stay tuned. Y'all know me. I upload sporadically. You get it when you get it. Whether it's going to be makeup, another headband wig, a short wig. You know me. I don't be knowing. I just be uploading. So until next video, I holla at y'all. Take care. Stay blessed.